Learn how to configure your app settings. Go to Settings in your sidebar and click on the App Settings tab. Here you can manage 3 key areas: your plan, where you can change or downgrade your subscription; app settings, to refresh status, change language, or republish the app; and integrations, to connect with other apps that enhance your Instagram feeds. Let's set up the Air Product Reviews integration to display star ratings on your tagged products. Click Manage under Integrations. You'll see a 3-step process to connect these powerful apps. Step 1. Click Go to App Store to install the Air Product Reviews app. After installation, return to the Settings page and click the refresh icon on Step 1. Great! The app is now enabled and ready to connect. Click Enable App. You'll be redirected to your store theme. Enable the Air Reviews app in your theme and click Save. Now, click the refresh icon and move to Step 2. Click Connect to link the 2 apps together. In the connection modal, click Connect to sync review data with your Instagram feeds. Finally, in Step 3, click Select Page to configure where star ratings appear in the Air Reviews app. Now let's configure your social media connections. Click on the Instagram Connection tab. Here you can add additional accounts or disconnect existing ones. Your connected account at Magia Plaza demo is shown with a green connected status. Under Synchronize Media, configure your post settings. For creator types, choose Owner to sync only your posts, or select Collaborators to include tagged posts and collab posts from other accounts as well. For sync mode, click the drop-down to set automatic synchronization. Choose from options like weekly, every 3 days, every day, or more frequent intervals like every 4 hours. Advanced plan users can sync every 2 hours for the freshest content. Configure Stories synchronization separately. Select Real Time for instant updates, every 4 hours for regular refresh, or none if you don't want stories included. You can also use Manual Sync for complete control over when content updates. Switch to the TikTok Connection tab. If you haven't connected yet, click Connect to link your TikTok account. After connecting, you'll see your account at Shop Plaza with the same synchronization options. Just like Instagram, configure your TikTok auto-sync frequency. Choose from the same options: none, weekly, every day, or hourly updates. Select Manual Sync if you prefer to update content manually. Excellent! You've now completed all 3 sections of the settings page and have a fully configured Instagram feed app. Thank you for watching our video.